Viewers, this is Sajidz. You're watching Sajidz Take. So here in this video, I'll talk with you about an interesting topic by which now you can also turn your Android mobile phone as your computer, and it's really awesome and looks good. And here it looks like an Windows 10 and it's awesome. So how you can do it? To know about that, you need to watch this video from the first to the last. Before starting that, our request, if you are not already the subscriber of my channel, then please subscribe, and if you do so still now, so thanks a lot. Start this video with me. Okay guys, to do this here, first of all you need to install an app in your mobile phone. This is a launcher. So go to in your Google Play Store, and from here you need to search your Windows 10. And here guys, you will get a lot of, you will go to the first launcher. This is the computer launcher, and here guys it looks like that. So from here we will install it, and after installing it we will open it in our mobile phone. So here we are there. Now we need to open it in our mobile phone. So it looks like that after opening it for the first time. And here guys, after doing this, here you can see this is my window has changed like here, and you can use it there like this. So here whenever you just go to on this, that time you will get a settings. So here how you can go it. So for here, first of all you need to, it will become here for automatically for the first time. So from here, if you just click on this personalization, that time from here you can add your background as a background image, whatever you want, and here you will suggest it a lot. So from here I'll use this background here. So now click on this right, and from here you can also use the theme icon pack. So from here you will get a lot of theme icon packs. So from here whatever you want, you just open it from here. So here from I will use this theme icon pack for the P40, this type. So now from here you can just install it from here to use another theme icon pack, but I don't want to install, so I leave it from here. Now go to the back. From here you will get the other options like a taskbar color. From here you can also add your taskbar color from here if you want. So here guys, whenever you just click on this start button, that time you will get all the shortcuts, search buttons, whatever you want. If you go to on this PC, that time it will want to allow you the access network name, your device name. Here you can add your own device name. Now click on the done. That time it will show you only one local disk, that is your internal storage. If you have another memory card, that time also it will show. So from here you can see it, it's your awesome mobile phone. It looks like just your computer. Whatever you see in your computer, you just see it here. So here guys, now whenever you want to click, that time it okay. So from here if you want to use those apps, from here you can use this. So here if you want to call, that time just click on this call, that time it will take you there. If you want to use this, so here from if you want to shut down this launcher, that time just go to on this, click this button. Now click on the yes, that time it will off your this. So here guys, it's totally off. Now you can use the previous mobile version is there. So it looks like. So this is the thing that I want to show you in this video, and it's really awesome. Now guys, it's your turn. Guys, if you use this and get some more fantasy, that time I request you please give a like that video, comment me below on this video, share this video with your friends. So guys, no more today, we will meet in the next video. So till the end, take care, have a nice day.